If you love to learn about investing, the stock market, real estate, personal finance, and anything related to money, you've come to the right place. At Geek Investor, we do more than just teach you how to make money. We believe that it's important to be knowledgeable about your wallet, so we teach you the ins and outs of everything, from investing to personal finance. So subscribe and learn with us. Get all of the latest and most relevant knowledge that you need to know about topics like crypto, stocks, and much more. We will go in depth on these topics to not only teach you what they are, but also how they work, how to make money from them, and more. Subscribe now to get all of the latest investing and financial videos. Many people out there would like to take a stab at investing but don't know where to start. Well, that's exactly what this channel is for. We'll teach you everything you need to know about investing so that you can start making money. Subscribe now and learn about everything that you need to know about investing and get all of the latest and most relevant knowledge that you need to know about topics like personal finance, the stock market, real estate, and more. We will go in depth on these topics to teach you what they are and what they mean, and how you can use them to your advantage.